Hey guys, we are fixing to swap out those daggum plastic Dexter axle caps for these Valcrum aluminum caps. I done it right off the bat on my Big Tex, and I've got two reasons for doing it on this. We'll talk about it later. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so as you guys have seen in the other video, we had a axle hub malfunction on the way home with our brand new Gator trailer, and there is the salad bowl that saved today. And so what we're doing today is we're going to get rid of all these plastic hubs. I don't know if y'all can see that, but they come standard with plastic hubs, and we're going to, of course, put one on this one, but we're going to go ahead and change them all out to the Valcrum aluminum hubs with the see-through glass. I'm not sponsored by Valcrum, I just love their product. I run them on my Big Tex 25GN trailer, and I've run them for nearly a year, and so I'm really liking them. I actually really love these. These are black and red. I like black and red. So, but anyway, what you're going to need, of course, is hubs. I use Lucas hub oil, and then you're going to need this little speed tool. I forgot, I've done scratched it, but you can go on eBay or Amazon and get you one of those. This is a 2.5 inch. This actually fits the Big Tex and the Dexter 12,000 pound axles, and it also fits the 10,000 pound axle hubs. So it fits both of them. So you'll need this. Here, the only place we're going to need it is putting the hub back on. So these hubs are super easy. There is specs. You guys look those up, do them your way. This is the way I do it. Y'all gonna hear me say that a lot, but it's simple. You get your old one off, and I'll show you on that in a little bit, and then you screw your new one on. This is so easy. Everybody should be changing them before they even make a load at all. I want to think it says 20 pound torque, 20 or 25. I do them as tight as I can. And then I'll bump that a little bit, maybe with a hammer here in a little bit. Speaking of that, let me run and get a hammer. We might need it to bump them others off. Hang tight. Alright guys, so I went and got me a hammer. So basically what you do, if you don't have a torque wrench and a socket this size to torque it, you tighten it up as tight as you can, give it a few taps, and then make sure it's good and snug, and then just keep an eye on it a day or two. You don't want to get it too tight, but you also don't want to to leak. It's got a rubber gasket around. They don't come on it, so make sure you put them on. I mean, they come with it, but they don't come put on, so you have to put it on. The cool thing about these Valcrums is has a magnet on the inside. So if you get any metal shavings, it sucks them all of that magnet. Don't go in your bearing and eat your bearing up. So that's a good thing. It's got a fill plug. So what I'm going to do here, so my fill plug's on the bottom. My truck's not hooked to my trailer. So I'm going to go ahead and come back here and take this back one off. And let me turn the camera around a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and take this back one off. And that way it can be draining. And I'll put the new one on. And then I'll hook my truck up to the trailer and I'll move them. If you had them jacked up, you could spin them. But I don't want to fool with all that. So I'll hook my truck to it and move it up. And then I'll fill them. So let's sort of, basically we're going to repeat the process. We're going to put this on. And some of these is really tough to get off. Let me find my gloves. So you just have to be patient. If you got a pull handle with a socket this size, you'll still have to be careful because that's a plastic hub. Not that you're going to hurt it if you're going to replace it, but just be careful. So you want to tap this. When it starts getting loose, solo cup works the best. So you slide your solo cup under here and it will sit there and you don't have to worry about holding it the whole time. While it drains. I'm going to put Lucas in here and I don't know what it had, so I want it all to drain out. So I'll say I got it loose. I'm just screwing this off, is all I'm doing. I done a video about this on my big text. I'll try to link it at the end of the video where I changed it out on the big text. It's one of my most popular videos. But you guys can watch that if you like. And then I got a video telling about why this don't have a hub on it. I might try to, if I don't forget, I'll link it in the description or somewhere. I'm not really good at adding those cards yet, so you won't see a tab up here. But one of the videos will be at the end card, so if you ever watch the end of the video and seen those things pop up, recommending another, that is a end card. Clean this up. And what I'll do is I'll keep these plastic ones in my truck toolbox in case, God forbid, I ever need one. I'll have it, or if I'm out on the road and somebody didn't change theirs and they need one, I can let them have it and get them out of a crunch. Get them out of a crunch like I was in. So, what we're going to do when this drains, and it'll take a while to drain, I'll do just like I did over there. I'll just screw that on. I'll pull my trailer up, get my fill plug up on top. I'll unscrew it and I'll fill it up to the fill line. It's not rocket science, guys, and it's easy to do. You can buy these Valcrum aluminum hubs. This is 10,000 pound Dexters, and the number on this Valcrum is a ST350. ST350. That's the one that fit this at the 3.5 inch. The one on the 12,000 pound Dexters is 4 inch. That's why the ones I had the other day, if you seen the video where I come 200 miles home without a hub, that's why I had to make a hub to fit it, because I had the 4 inches with me, but they wouldn't fit. So anyway, guys, I hope this is helpful. If you have any more questions, put them in the comments. And please, any way possible, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video. That's awesome as well. Love you guys. Remember what I always say. If you want to have a safe trip, You gotta start out doing safe things. Inspect your trailer, inspect your truck. Love you guys.